King of Dancehall is currently in mourning after he lost his mother, affectionately known as Mama Lilieth. Hey guys, welcome back to A Glimpse of Jamaica. And if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Before we get into the video, I would just like you to hop on down and press that red subscribe button if you have not yet done so. And also remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos. And please like and share this video. While Beenie Man is yet to make the news public of the passing of his mother, his family members and friends have been making the rounds on social media. Beenie Man's daughter, Desha, took to Instagram to share her recent moments with her grandmother, and she wrote a touching caption which outlines the fact that she was not ready for her grandmother's passing. She wrote, "This one I'll never be able to accept. You're in a better place, I know, but I'm not ready. Rest in peace, Mama." Fellow entertainers like Sean Paul, Ding Dong, Twins of Twins, Don Mafia, Lisa Hyper, among several others, have also gone online to send condolences to Beenie and his family. Former dancehall queen Carlene also took to Instagram to break the news. She wrote, "Rest in peace, Mama Lilieth. My daughter's grandmother left us today. Sleep in heaven." We all remember that months ago, Beenie Man himself was on social media to give an update on his mother. And even though she was said to be improving, he said she was doing well, but he was asking for prayers from everyone for her. Beenie Man's mother reportedly suffered from a stroke recently, and her health has been unstable since. Months ago, we saw a video circulating online of his mother being released from the hospital. It's unclear where Mama Lilieth was at the time of her death, as details are still sketchy. So at this time, we here at A Glimpse of Jamaica would like to extend our condolences to Beenie Man and his family. We know it is never easy to accept the death of a loved one. And even when it is evident that death is close or we see them suffering, so it's very hard to let go. And so we just have to keep them in our prayers and pray for their strength. Rest in peace, Mama Lilieth, and just strength and guidance to Beenie and his family. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.